In this video, I'll show you how to become a supplier on GetYourGuide. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to getyourguide.supply. That is the specific portal for suppliers. And what we want to do there is go to the top right and click on Get Started. Once you do that, you'll be asked a series of questions. So you'll pick which one best describes your business. I'm just going to pick a random option here and then hit continue. From there, you need to choose how many activities of any type do you offer, and do you use a reservation system to manage your products. From there, we'll hit continue. And here we will basically be creating our profile. So fill out this form here, very standard questioning. Read over the T's and C's, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit create an account. Now, once you do this, they'll send you an email to the email you listed here. You're going to go to that email and click on the link, which will then complete your email verification. Once you do that, you will be greeted with the welcome screen and asked to create your product. So once you click on that, the first questions will be, what exactly is the activity that you are offering? Next, you need to give your product a title and create an optional reference code. So if you don't have one, you can just leave it blank and they will create one for you. Next up, you need to create a product description. You can select locations, which are going to just be like tags, as well as keywords, which are just pretty much more tags. Next up, you will have a few different options to provide information about the certain subcategories like tour guide, host or greeter, instructor, and so forth. And again, these questions are going to slightly vary depending on the options you chose. But as you can see, you'll be filling out basic questions, just describing what you have to offer. You will also be asked to upload photos and be able to build your itinerary. But I hope that gets you started up with Get Your Guide. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.